In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a complex project or just keeping track of your to-do list, using the status feature in Smartsheet can be incredibly beneficial. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you have all the tools you need to enhance your workflow. To begin, open your Smartsheet and navigate to the column headers at the top of your sheet. You want to locate the point where you wish to insert a new column. Once you've found the right spot, look for a small plus icon on the column header. This icon is your go-to tool for adding various types of columns to your sheet. Click on it, and you'll be presented with an option menu. From this menu, you need to select Add Column. This action prompts a dialog box where you can further customize your new column. Now, once you're in the Add Column settings, it's time to choose what type of column you want this to be. Smartsheet offers several options, but for our purposes, we'll focus on the status and symbol column types. If you're looking for easy-to-read text labels, you'll want to set your column type to status. This option is great for displaying stages of a project like in progress, completed, or on hold. Alternatively, if you're more visually inclined or prefer quick, at-a-glance updates, the symbol type offers a range of icons, think traffic lights or checkboxes, that can effectively communicate status visually. Having chosen your column type, the next step is to fine-tune it according to your project's unique needs. Let's start with the status column. Here, you have the ability to customize the text labels. You could keep it simple with basic project phases or incorporate more detailed labels relevant to your team's workflow. Alternatively, if you went with the symbol column type, you can decide which visual icons best suit your needs. Smartsheet provides options like color-coded lights, which can be particularly effective for teams that favor visual cues. For example, a red light might mean a task is overdue, yellow could signify it's in progress, and green could indicate completion. Getting these settings right can make a world of difference in the clarity and efficiency of your project management. Be sure to adjust the column properties to meet the specific requirements of your task or project. Take your time to explore the various icons and labeling options available and think about how they might serve your team's goals. By customizing these columns thoughtfully, you lay the groundwork for a more organized and more effective project management experience. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to keep your workflow on track within Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and let's stay productive.